We had the jackpot. Mikel won his battle 1 and the battle 2. I took over the car in the afternoon and managed to do the same.
We had a very exciting first race with a lot of contact, a lot of overtaking.
Well, on the qualifying lap I had a really bad luck. I was pushing on the first sector and I had a puncture and my tire exploded.
The morning session with 500 kilowatts was best ever moment for me in a race car in my career.
We got disqualified from the Battle 3, where we did the fastest time, which meant I started last for the DHL Super Final. I managed to pass all except one, and I caught him up, but ran out of time and talent probably.
And in my last 2 laps I was not sure how much power up was left in my car. Until the last lap they told me that it was really all or nothing, so I really pushed like crazy, but extremely happy that we did a great show.
The pace was really good in the end of the weekend, which was the main goal.
Incredible race, starting from the last position and finish in a first position. Incredible. First victory of the PURE ETCR. Yes!
In many other areas, CUPRA, we have big breaking ground, in this case for electrification of motorsport. And to be the winners of the first ever touring car electrified era, it's such an achievement that we couldn't be more happy.
Next race is in Aragon, so stay tuned for more action.